Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you very specifically how to fix laminate flooring gaps easily. And this will be a tutorial. Let's get right into this instructional video. So as you can see over here, I have laminate flooring in my basement and there is a gap over here, okay? And I've seen a lot of people show all sorts of crazy ways to fix the gaps, and obviously those ways work really well, but there's something that you should do first before you try all these crazy methods, because oftentimes this will fix the problem and you don't need anything. Literally, you just need your bare foot, okay? So you can see that gap right there. I want to go, now obviously you have to make sense of which way you want to go, because you can fix the gap by going this way or this way. You want to choose the way that makes the most sense. For me, it makes the most sense to go this way over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my foot and I'm just going to give it one swift like this. I'm going to go on the ground like that. Boom. I'm pushing this board that way and I'm using the pressure and friction of my foot to create movement. So just like this, check this out. Look at that. And that will work many times, okay? Not every time, but many times. Now, obviously, this is the last board towards the wall. I did not install this floor before you comment. This was not me, okay? I did not install this floor, just so you know, okay? This was here when we bought the house, so the prior owners had hired someone else to install this. It's a really good floor. It's installed really well. There's just this gap that comes back from time to time. So now this is the last board towards the wall that I need to close the gap on, and then then we're at the wall. So I'm just going to give a nice one of these like that. A couple more. There you go. One more just for good measure. Okay, and that's it. As you can see, I've closed those gaps and I've fixed those gaps. It's literally that simple. There are other methods obviously that you can use, but you want to try this one first because it's easiest before you go and do all these crazy things. Create all these concoctions to try and close the gap. Sometimes you just need your foot, right? Very simple. Anyways, hopefully you liked the video. I tried to keep it really short and sweet and straight to the point. Hopefully you enjoyed it. So that's it. That's all I have to say. So I'm going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.